things we ought to be doing is working to educate the public, train our responders, have a plan, and get acquainted. That, to me, is the foundation and the basics of emergency management.
This is a fabulous opportunity for students really to get a degree and really be able to enter into emergency management, I think, from a government or from a private sector perspective, more easily, I think, than in the past. So it's going to offer students the chance to have that degree, that certification walking in the door, and perhaps even internship opportunities.
Emergency management program here at Edmonds Community College really gives students some skills that they can have a better understanding of how the National Response Framework functions, how emergency managers prepare to manage incidents and take care of the different aspects of emergency response on a large-scale incident.
Emergency management as a discipline is inherently multidisciplinary. There's no one-way approach to it. We have to really look at all of our partners, because ultimately the responsibility for being prepared falls on all of us, because if there is a disaster, it's going to affect all of us on some level.
Experience has shown that emergency management is a team sport. To be successful when communities and organizations are overwhelmed by disaster, it's not the fire department's problem, it's not the mayor's problem, it's everybody's problem.
We really do have to look at creating well-rounded emergency management professionals. What we're really trying to do is establish folks who have such a great foundation that they can go into any of those organizations and contribute right away.
So there's an opportunity really, I think, for careers within the public or the private sector. And you get to have visibility to that and be able to understand really how they have to work together. I think that's extremely important from both the public and private side, because you have to understand both pieces and work together in response.
It is comprehensive, it is complex, but the way that the curriculum is laid out, the way the classes flow, is very good. It applies to any business, it applies to any state and local governments, all the way up to the federal level.
We're really trying to broaden the perspective of the people who are in it, and then when they leave the program, give them the knowledge, skills, and abilities to go out and really interact in any setting in the emergency management field.
It's important to have people who are trained in emergency management, who have the initiative, the enthusiasm, the fire in their heart about this is important, to go out and work with people and help people to get prepared, whether it be on an individual basis, whether it be on an organizational basis, like for a university, a college, a business, or whether it be at the local, state, or federal government level. And if people understand the history, what the organizational and human dynamics is like when people are overwhelmed by an emergency, they can help people focus their energy on better preparedness, more resilient communities, a safer, stronger America.